Okay guys, so it just rained. There was a thunderstorm. Come. There was a thunderstorm and the power is out. Come.
Whoa.
Look over there, son.
How did reach there?
So the wind blew away our chicken coop. It landed over here. Like, seriously, how this happened? Yeah, so luckily, hopefully no chicken never in there. The thing just flip over, like flip over there and come all the way over here. It was on those two blocks and it flip over and come over here. How? Like, seriously, what else happened? What else happened? Well, the pigs look like they're okay. The goats are fine. You lucky. Alright, I'm soon come for them.
Who did this?
It's the wind and the rain. The storm.
Where did this one?
So the pan even blow off of the thing.